Seal. Like that. Then I'm going to put the card in. I saw this hack on TikTok. And then I'm going to seal the top right here. Not sealed 100%. Oh my God, this, I'm going to have to clean this off. Seal it. Do it again. And there you go. What do you think, guys? How cute is that? I saw this on TikTok. TikTok or YouTube, something like that. Something of this. The weather is so warm, I had to put this in the freezer so I can get some scoops. So I want 12 of these. This one I'm going to use to stuff the cookies. I'm just going to continue to do it until it's finished. So here I have butter, light brown sugar, caster sugar, and cold cut butter. I'm just going to mix it just to so that it resemble like breadcrumbs like. So I'm not going to mix it for long. So you see it's like resemble like breadcrumbs. I don't want the butter to be well mixed it out because I don't want it to be like soft, because we're making New York style cookies with the butter like this. The cookie won't spread. It will just stay the shape of it because of the butter. Now I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. So here I've got a mixture of white and milk chocolate chips in there. So I'm going to add it in. Mix again, not for long, just so it can get incorporated. Just something like that. Now I'm going to add in my plain flour, which I've already added some baking powder to it. So I'm just going to chuck it all in. Guys, remember making cookies, New York style cookies. So I chuck everything all in. So that everything resembles like breadcrumbs. Here I've got egg. I cracked one egg. So I'm going to take this thing here. I don't know, in our Jamaican culture or Caribbean culture, we normally take this out. We call it the eye of the egg. Take it out. Then we like, just because it's a cookie, it's just slightly, we're going to use 2 of these. Just slightly beat it, put it in. So I've added in the eggs and the pistachio. And I'm just going to give it a little 1 or 2 little mix. I'm going to stop it and then add a little bit of food coloring. Just a little tit. Just a little bit amount. I'm using the Color Mill green. Start it again. There you go. And I'm going to stop right here where the dough is now formed. So that's what I'm looking for. Make sure that everything is incorporated from the bottom as well. That's it. Then I'm gonna come back, and because these cookies has to be frozen overnight, like 24 hours, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make them from the day before. So I'm looking for like 100 grams. Oh, this is wrong. So I have to set the scales back to 0, like that. So I'm looking for 100 or 19. So make a well like this, and the frozen pistachio spread. And then I'm going to just form it into a ball like this. Then I put it in here because that's what I'm going to freeze them in. Let's make another one for camera purposes. So I'm going to need 109 or 109, 108. That's too much. That would do. And then just make a well. Let's take one of these. They're frozen. Put in the center. And just, you can do it in round shape if you can do it like in a ball if you want to. Or you can just make it have like a rough shape if you want to. It's up to you how you want it. For a 6, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover it, this bit up. This is too much paper. I'm going to resize the paper. So I'm going to cover it up like that. Then I'm going to add the next one on top. That's just too much. 5. Yeah. So just make a little well inside, and I'll just take one of these and just place it. And just place it on there. So I'm going to bake the cookies now, and this is a hot baking tray. So it's hot because I want the cookies to remain the same temperature. So remember, I've done these the night before. So I'm just going to put them in. I'm just going to layer them in the baking tray. I'm going to do 6 at a time. So there you go, all 6 in there. Now I'm going to pop them into the oven to bake. So now I've designed a label, just a basic ingredients label for the cookies. So I'm going to send it to print. Just like that, print. And there you go, my ingredients list. Instead of using the scissors, I'm going to use my mini guillotine to just cut them into 4 pieces. All done at the oven. So I'm going to leave them for 5 minutes in the tray to cool down. Then I'm going to remove them to the wire rack. Yeah. I have now transferred them to the cooling rack to let them completely cool down. Now, and this is how they're looking. Just to let you know, this is a soft baked cookie, okay? Now I'm ready. I'm gonna seal. So I've got my sealant bag. So I already got my label sticker on it. Then I'm just gonna simply, hands always clean hands. Just simply pop one of the cookies in. Just like that. And then we're gonna seal it. Oh my God, this is too hot. So what I'm gonna do, it's too hot, so I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna put it between 4 and 5. It is sealed, but what I was going for, yeah, it's sealed. I'm gonna do another one. I turn the heating down. Oh, it's still too hot. I'm gonna have to turn it down again to 4. So as you can see, it is sealed. But I'm going to press it once more just to be on the safe side. There we go. Since it's hot, I'm going to get too hot. I'm going to press. See, I don't know why it's so hot. I'm going to turn it down a little bit to 3. It's still a bit too hot. And try again to see. Yeah, this is how I want it to be sealed. So I got my little business card, and I saw this on somewhere on TikTok along the line. I was just going past and I saw it. So what I'm gonna do, no, change mine. So I decided I got a fresh bag. I'm gonna put the cookies in. Like that. Then I'm gonna seal. Like that. Then I'm gonna put the card in. I saw this hack on TikTok. And then I'm gonna seal the top right here. Seal 100%. Oh my God, this, I'm gonna have to clean this off. Seal it, do it again. And there you go. What do you think, guys? How cute is that? I saw this on TikTok. TikTok or YouTube, something like that. Something of the